Hello, my name is Bart Cole, and I am from Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Today is July 12, 2024, and I will be presenting my CS50 Amazon product web scraper. So this program will look at a product on Amazon that the user specifies, and it'll notify the user if that specific product falls below a price that they have set for this product. So let's take a look at how this program works. So this program will need some information from the user to input. It'll request an Amazon link. I'm going to give a general one first and then pick a product later. So let's say 300 for the price. It's going to ask for an email. I'm going to give sample one first and a Google app password that is 16 letters. And let's say we want the product to run for a day. So it's going to fail because it doesn't find a product, but it'll save our information in here, which we could see that this username and password has been encrypted. And let's go find an Amazon product. So here we can see a Google Pixel 7a. I'm going to take this URL and just put it into the text file. And we're trying to buy it, let's make it fail first. So let's say we want it to be under $100. So now when I run this program, we don't want to update this information. So it'll inform us the Google Pixel 7a and the product has not fallen below 100 CAD. So this is going to take a while because it's going to check the Amazon webpage every hour for the next day. So now let's see what happens when the product price on Amazon is below our threshold price. So I set our threshold price at 1,000 and I also updated the user information to my correct email and password. So let's run this program. Let's not update it. And it's going to inform me email sent. So as we could see up here, looks like I got an email. It's going to tell me price fell down and check this Amazon link. Let's open it. And bam, we have the 7A and it's below the price that we had set. Thank you.